Yeah, man, it's your boy Young Philly. I am joined with man like Hicks, and you are watching Footasylum Unboxed. So, today I am excited.
He loves this pair. Loves this pair.
Tell them what it is.
So we got the triple black Air Max 270.
Oh, I love this trainer.
Come
Look,
on.
this is how much I love it. Got different colours on today. Oh, I love it. Go on, tell me everything I need to know about this trainer.
Right, so the most important and the most iconic thing is this shoe is the first ever Air Max to be designed purely for walking streets.
What do you mean?
It's just a casual, everyday shoe. So every Air Max unit from now till back in 1987 has been for running.
Air Force.
No, Air Max, bro.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry.
Cut that. Air Max. Any Air Max shoe from 1987 till now, till this 270, which
They've
all been made for running.
But do you know what's mad? How many hench donnies I see in the gym lifting iron with them one step? Lifting big weights with the 270s.
So the man in the gym that are wearing these shoes for lifting weights, let them do their thing. It's wrong.
It's wrong.
It's wrong.
You can't be wearing them once.
Let them do their thing. There's different shoes for different sports, for different reasons, and different technology. But this is purely what we call doing road.
I love it. I love it, yeah. You try and break it down for me, you know, and Philly can understand. I clocked it. But yeah, no, that's sick. You're right. That's the best way to put them.
You like it?
Doing road, yeah.
So it's a mixture of two air units that have created this, which is now the tallest ever Nike Air Max unit, sitting at 32 millimeters high.
You know what? It's mad you just said that. Listen, this is the trainer that I wear to go and see certain gal. Bethany, you know who you are. You are very tall, Beth. Don't you realise that every time I come to see you, I've got the 270s on? Bro, these give me mad height advantage, you know? Remember, I'm only small. Do you get what I'm saying? I need all the help I can get. So these are very, very good if you're very insecure about your height. Get yourself a pair of 270s. Now, you have a chance to win a pair of these bad boys. The Nike 270s triple blacks. Yeah?
What? Yeah.
Is that not triple black?
No, it's
That's
triple
what I'm
black.
saying.
Yeah,
Yeah, the triple blacks. All you need to do in order to enter is subscribe, like, and comment your shoe size with the word Big Air. I've been your boy Young Philly.
I'm Hicks.
And you've been watching
Footasylum Unboxed.
Yeah, man!